Yay! All right.
Going dog sledding tour. Yay.
Take a pick me.
Yeah, I don't like him. Here's my spot.
So make sure you keep your hands and feet inside the sun at all times. This blue line here is pretty slack over your shoulder. Do not pull or tug on it, okay?
They get so quiet, right, when they're running.
Yeah, they're very focused. All the barking is just trying to get us to let them go.
Before they're all barking everywhere, it's pick me, pick me, pick me.
It is. They're convinced that that's how it works.
Yep.
Now let's turn it. Yeah, Phoenix and Pluto. Yeah, guys. Everybody's friendly. You can pet everyone. And then if you like, I can take your photo next to these as well. Yeah, right. These guys are all Alaska Huskies.
Alaska?
He's Alaska Husky as well. He's just got more Siberian in him.
The Siberian ones look more like a typical husky.
That's your purebred husky there, Siberian Mounties. So he's got more of that.
They have a blue eyes.
Cheers.
Kanpai, cheers. So in Japanese they say kanpai.
You
With the
know,
K?
Oh,
Like
yeah.
kanpai?
Yeah, yes. See? Perfect.
Okay, yeah. It's like cheers.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Good night. See you tomorrow. Let's go.
I've been like walking around calling you. I do a night mode.
Night mode.
Oh, there you
Oh,
go.
look, does the night mode work?
Did it work pretty well?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Look.
Is it?
It moved.
Oh, so deep.
Alright, you guys, stand still. Face me. I'm taking you through you. Stand still. It's night mode, so you gotta wait like a minute. Okay.
Oh, God.
Let's get. No, here, one more picture. One more. Go closer together.
Oh, good, good.
Okay.
Good.
Now I'm gonna take a flash because it'll work here with distance. I forgot the Ziploc bag.
Oh, yeah.
Remember, I was gonna. I had like
time.
5 of them in my suitcase, like just to put my phone in.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I forgot.
I mean, the one that I brought last time broke.
Get out.
There's like I was over there looking for you before,
Oh, no.
so I thought you were over
Way
there,
out.
and then there was like some really warm spots there.
It gets so warm over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see.
Oh, be careful.
Well, this is what I did the whole time.
You could
last
take a
time.
picture through there, or not through there.
I don't.
Oh, this spot is hot.
Yes,
Oh,
it gets
yeah,
so
really?
hot.
Yeah.
But then maybe if we get
Over
to
there, yeah.
it's very hot.
Yeah.
Wow, you were really lucky to catch that, huh?
Yeah.
Really vivid. Yeah.
That's through all the steam.
Yes.
Imagine if there was no steam.
Oh, we didn't get a picture with all of us.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
let's do that. I can do a selfie.
is
Yeah,
it?
that should be okay.
Yeah, okay. Let's see.
Oh, that's good.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Ladies what I was saying. Like,
Very
last time after we finished in there, no problem.
No problem.
Yeah.
It's amazing how,
Feels
And
good.
I have like no layers, just this and this. That's it.
well, maybe your heat is
Yeah.
sort of just there.
Yeah.
It's like, from all the hot rooms. The hot
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we'll send you all those pictures.
Yeah, we will.
Oh,
So,
it's so good.
great to see you and meeting you and
So good.
oh, my hair is frozen now again.
Not like before. Before it was like white frozen.
White frozen. Ah, we're back.
Channel Toroku, Yoroshiku. See you guys next time.